have thought seriously, thought. To a berry, sir, ballot papers na ubiti minya extra no. Where do they get it from? Abato no paper no. Any electoral commission for paper no. Then womunya template no. The print here. Then womunya serial numbers. Nipa ya bone wunyansafo. Do one who nipa they are in suit and you will be on the suit or ye honorable. There are people in suit who are July. Why will you want to even rule people who don't want you? Think about it. Sembia me pehine di wo mikro mu bome. Na bome force yem pew. O se chinchina champe se me ye wo hen. That me dawan will be the good tiba be hwe me santo iso. E na na marafo sorry free akoyem pew. Yeah. The Bible said, he will gather all the nations before him. And then he will split them as a shepherd separates the sheep from the goats. The nation, we are going to be separated. Ghana for Munkwa, Nigeria, Bangladesh, America, Vietnam, India, according to nations, not even according to individuals. Hey, Mumra, Musumunga. And then when he finish, he will tell one side, go to fire, and one, go into eternal rest. Sit here and think that this is Bible story. Me say, what to you know, Ubeko to Jezebel. You will know. Traveling to few places. My pastor, there is only one place I desire. Krono Yebuno. Also, Philippians chapter 3 verse 20. Put it on the screen. Let's close with that scripture. And Merry Christmas to all of you. Brunyano does not mean tia. Brunyano nyam kokobe enko no mo amboto ma memfa nko tanaha na memfa nko tanaha. Henan we dwamani nse nwura nkrofo be ye wo mpo ano. People travel all over. Obaji na hot draws on shebi no di gina mpo ano na police ni gina no hwe no. Sister bia na no mo se wo wayi ne ho a kire ne ba mamfa na nkotum. And she ni move for ya monetary no krentam ware. Then he pat girl ya na no kaswa ha road draws for sure no or call run the draws go tia electric wire so you know ade any electric to no ku no sure na se na police voni obi ti be dina bonten kaswa ha no run the draws open naked na obi ayi phone no twa. How are you going to use that? Yeah, you man, kwasi subana kaho. Kwasi subana kaho. E kaho na munye jumanye. Also can a sadian can you so. The conny good betting companies. A brandy I see so betting idea. Would Ubala basta ultra bet? Ubala basta ultra bet. Kwasi akoma no kura de me hu bita. Wo de kwasi akoma ya kotobo nsam gem no anu say what to gem. I'm telling you truth. Uba alabasta trap bet. Your boyfriend na the one CD better. Asi adwene. Pia! Asi adwene.
Adolfo. Sroma peniful from no one so ba. O metete a shower so my hair.
I see you too. Ene mahama zo de adwuma to zo. Abraham Kasenka preaching, I preaching Ghana Broadcasting Corporation ye piatum. Whole nation kasachiro man. Ha adie bi o amrenti minya ho reda. Na me asam na sisa koma. I'm telling you, we dey tenafa wo mra na ye. Serious. Hwe na no boys inse huna mu die. Soja ni kutatuo no omko ne so akwaji tuo na free nese. Baby akoma na ikono no. Baby akoma na ikono no. Eti kaya biatum from now all over Sunyan Kintampo Savannah northeast northwest na ye pretty kingdom is some all over the air with cockroaches abromo bonyum. And the nipa koma nok sorry ane sorry. Nipa koma no sorry ane sorry. Ankasa nchire wo many penya such I'm telling you. Security service almost do anything. I'm living in a nation of almost about 36 million people. Where the security services all put together, they will not be up to 3 million. If you 36 million for no buffer train as well, do you know what will happen? Think about it. It is a commanding nya. Been found to a good out. I'm telling you, obitu manya. I'm telling you, there is a generation that does not bless mother nor honor father. They are coming, their teeth are swords. No mun suru bibia. Adia betimi asachira wom nyame asem. Mesi wutu mutame madwuma nyame de amami. Twumu time me crusade wo Jubilee House. The crusade in the Jubilee House, no. A maswa, yes, my only nyama. Life at the Jubilee. Yet me breaking Ramadan with Jubilee House. Yeah, you bet my crusade with Jubilee House. As simple as that. Now no boy back on kwasi ni mudi ko jina yi Parliament House. When your opportunity could preach your Parliament, maybe jina minya opportunity to go Parliament House and could preach. That's so bad. 3 days ago, what be preaching. Next day, waba. After the next day, waba. What the lemon ba. Ekuma or the highway cast, no the highway cast or the highway cast or the highway cast. When me win scribo. You see, I mean, why I can't once we didn't go see. I did say you were be. And then say a man of 5 years in jail. Now, Coco Druns and one who beko who said you grow for fun, grow for true more. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. But now Coco but said the TNA, you will know. Wow, I see it. When your opportunity, I don't get it. Some people get an opportunity. Idea went to when this young woman standing here, Evangelist Michaelina, takes her team and carries her team to Pakistan. Show us pictures from Pakistan. Show us pictures from her crusade in Pakistan. Pakistan, this young girl carries the kingdom of Jesus Christ, goes to an Islamic nation and preach Jesus Christ. This woman can gather people like this preaching Christ. Na obizwanya akwenya Jimmy and wodi Jimmy. Ready? Ewreye obizwanya nipa wa he na the only black person mewreye any ni team wa odi omko. Okay nyamsam. Enyo poto hwe nkwa sia nsori abefra Kristo Yesu nsori mu Ghana Jimmy no one wo mu Jimmy na Ghana ha ye hwom. Ye nyame nipa ufri no ebe nyame nipa kwasi ansori nti ye mu Kristo asori bio kwasi ansori nti Onyame asafo no a odi ase ono ye mu asafo ni bi. God them up hwede ni peye in the name. Utimu say Jezebel atia sorry. Jezebel atia sorry. This young girl, do you know how many miles from here to Pakistan? And all the preachings what she was preaching were gumayafi, because you cannot as a woman even preach or lead anything in Pakistan. They risk their life to go into a territory like that. Me Pakistan. Me preach 10 minutes per 10 minutes per. Woman mommy to a woman deport. When someone make a catch a woman or Pakistan, honest and say, or Modete one Quasia. Nam June say, Ghana and Pine a yaban phone. Pakistan, they are a full move phone. Go to Pakistan, they could help a buying phone. A buying fee can move phone fin tan Pakistan. Leaders, be says they buy you preach a bit masuma soja for some check this year. Sani man we bagana how be Casajuano no monco cheno momro no that kind of thing. And we're saying we are the young anymore. I don't know. Mon cannon shamong say. Wouldn't many peduechi. Many peduechi. Very interesting. One time I was driving in East Legon, motorbike, following. And security said, let's stop. We stop. Motorist said, stop. 2 young men. We're going. Stop. Almost said, Namsi, you know what? My yense na menchirem crow for ya. There was what if they shoot from a distance? But why will anybody want to even shoot anybody? I don't weigh more than 80 kilos. Why are you afraid of me? Why am I a threat? You two know me, Diachi. Ufaha no mafaha. So, okay, let's drive to a police station. Why? Less than 80 kilos have become a threat. A 2 answer on your heart. Help me, sir. Before we sing the national anthem and pray for this nation, I want us to rededicate our lives to the Lord. I feel no neighbor na wie ye no. Dia wono kura wo ye adwuma no. Straight up, otimi etena sesese ye boka se ye nya se. Maminya seria titi vunu ya.